Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Life360 cannot detect Wi-Fi at home. So to fix this issue, you can start by enabling the permission. Go to your device settings and then search for location services. Tap on it. Once you search for location services, scroll down to find Life360. Now make sure that the location access is set to always and your precise location is turned on. Now the next what you can do is go to your phone's setting one more time and then search for general. Tap on it. Now scroll down and find background app refresh. Tap on background app refresh and then scroll down to find Life360 and make sure that it is turned on for Life360. Now the next what you can do is go to your Life360 app and then go to settings at the top left corner and scroll down and tap on log out and then immediately log back in to fix the issue. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.